I saved this patch to show you how I thin carrots. Wait until they are about 3-4 inches or the first set of true leaves. I generally wait until they're about 3 to 4 inches to make sure, or like even this size would do. So they need room to grow. And you want the distance to be something like this, like 2 to 3 inches. This a little bit wider than I would like, but I think there was like a weaker plant here, so I didn't want to keep it. So I'd rather keep the healthy one. So you want something like this, 2 to 3 inches apart. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to save the extra plants and replant them, something like that. And if you see a baby one like this one, you can go ahead and pull it up. This one I actually transplanted here because some did not come up. So, well, this is my first year replant the transplant carrots. So the thinning carrots, I should say. So hopefully it will work. It doesn't hurt to try. So I'm thankful. I'm glad that today I'm thinning the carrots and saving the plants as well to replant them. This is my first year doing it, so I hope it will work. And it is overcast and cool. It's in like the 60s, so it's a perfect day to transplant anything really, because you don't want like scorching heat, because the plants will have to work harder to survive and you have to water it. So today is a perfect day. So I'm going to save the healthiest plant in this group because they are way too close. Okay, I'm going to use a tool, carefully loosen up the dirt around it to get it out so I don't damage the roots as much, since I'm saving them to replant. But if you're not planning to keeping them, then just pull the extra carrot plants up. Just like that. Not much. Okay. And you want to pinch down here, okay? Pinch it and pull it up. There. It's a healthy plant, so I'm going to set that aside. Now this is smaller one. Okay. There. I'm glad when it comes with some dirt with it. You see how I try not to damage the roots? You see how it has most of its roots? So that's what you're aiming for. Alright, last one. There. Here's another one. Alright, I'm gonna do this group and I'm gonna keep this one and I'm gonna move this one and straighten up a little bit. This is not even 2 inches apart, but I'm gonna keep this since over here it has a lot of room. I feel like this one can always move over here for room so that one can grow, so I'm gonna keep it. Alright, here's a baby one. Oh boy, we have a situation. All right, here. So I'm going to move this one. I actually need to loosen the dirt up a little bit. Okay. And I'm gonna pull this one up. You see here how it's snap when I don't loosen up the dirt. It still has some roots, so I think it'll be alright. Alright. I think it's okay. And then I'm gonna take one of that. So I barely moved it. It still snap, but I think it's alright. Alright, here's a baby one. No sense let stay in there. Okay. So do some weeding while you're at it. I'm gonna keep about the same distance, 3 to 4 inches. I'm sorry, 2 to 3 inches. If it's not deep enough, just dig a little bit so the roots go in, and then just cover it up. And I also watered the trench already, so just like that. This is thinning carrots I replanted. They're a little bit smaller than the other carrots, but you know, after you replant something, you have to give them some time to adjust. But I think they are doing pretty good. So I'm excited to have an extra row of carrots that I did not plan to have.